Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. PrimeParket is about to launch its cutting-edge single-user-based crypto arbitrage bot this November. In this video, we'll dive into the world of crypto arbitrage and explore what makes this bot from PrimeParket stand out. So, if you're interested in crypto trading, make sure to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest crypto content. What is crypto arbitrage? Let's start with the basics. Crypto arbitrage is a trading strategy where you take advantage of price differences for the same cryptocurrency on different exchanges. This can be incredibly profitable, but it requires lightning-fast execution and precision. PrimeParket understands this, and they've developed an innovative solution to help you capitalize on these opportunities. PrimeParket's unique approach. Now, you might be wondering, what sets PrimeParket apart? Well, they've designed a single user-based crypto arbitrage bot. Unlike other bots that require complicated setups and multiple users, PrimeParket's bot is tailor-made for individuals. It's user-friendly, efficient, and it doesn't require you to share your profits with anyone else. PrimeParket's bot leverages state-of-the-art technology and advanced algorithms. It continuously monitors multiple exchanges and executes trades with precision. The beauty of this bot is that it's designed for both beginners and experienced traders. You can start using it with ease, even if you're new to the world of crypto. Transparency and security. When dealing with crypto, security is paramount. PrimeParket ensures your funds remain safe. Plus, they offer transparent reporting, so you can keep track of your profits and losses effortlessly. It's all about making the crypto trading experience as stress-free as possible. The launch date, and now, the moment you've been waiting for. PrimeParket's single-user-based crypto arbitrage bot is set to go live this November. We'll be keeping you updated on the exact date, so make sure you stay tuned to our channel. It's a game-changer for crypto traders, and you won't want to miss it. In conclusion, PrimeParket's single-user-based crypto arbitrage bot is an exciting development in the world of crypto trading. It's designed for individuals who want to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities without the hassle of complex setups. So, if you're ready to up your crypto trading game, keep an eye on PrimeParket's upcoming launch this November. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out upcoming videos for more insights into micro niches. It's a great resource to help you discover profitable niches in the world of online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay updated, stay profitable, and happy trading. Goodbye.